Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Paris. Today we're going to be doing an eyebrow routine. So go grab your items and let's jump into it. Starting with the NYX micro brow. I'm going to start by outlining the brow. You want to follow the natural shape of your brow using short hair-like strokes. You want to start with the bottom and then go to the top. Again, just outlining the natural shape of the brow. Next, we're going to connect the bottom and the top line together, forming our tail. After that, you want to go in and fill in the blanks pretty much. You're going to go in and fill in all the sparse areas, the areas where there is little to no hair or there may be some gaps within your brow hair. It just really depends, but you want to fill in the areas that are sparse, as well as follow that with the spoolie on the other side. Using the spoolie helps the product to blend in seamlessly. Next, we're going to move on to carving out our brows with concealer. Anastasia Beverly Hills number 18 brush, and begin following that bottom line. You're literally carving out. And here's the beauty about this is in this step you can literally erase and correct, areas where you went a little harsh or came out of the line a little bit. But this is where you just take your time to really carve out the brow to your liking. As you are carving out the brow, you want to be sure that you're blending out the product as you go. This will create a thin line. This is a Real Techniques blending brush, I believe. And we're going to go in and just blend out that product. We want to make sure this line is crisp and perfect. Well, as perfect as you can get it, at least. And then I'm just taking a look at the brow as a whole. There are some areas where I need to fill in a little more, an area where I want my arch to be slightly higher, and I'm just taking a step back, looking to see where else I need to kind of perfect the brow. And here I'm just showing you brow mapping. Brow mapping is extremely important. Brow mapping just gives you the ideal shape for your brows. It allows you to see where your brow should begin and where it should end based on your facial features. Next, we're going to go into the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow Pomade in the color Chocolate. I wanted to give you guys another method to complete your brow. So as we did before with the eyebrow pencil, we're going to go ahead and begin outlining the bottom portion of our brow, following the natural shape of our brow hairs. The process of using the brow pomade is pretty much the same as we did with the eyebrow pencil. You want to first outline the bottom portion, outline the top portion, bring those lines together to connect, creating our tail. Then you go in to fill it in. I'm just going to stop talking here and allow you guys to just watch. And that completes this brow tutorial. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and hit that bell notification so you don't miss another upload from me. Bye guys.